Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable reminder notifications on the Instagram mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then once you're on your Instagram profile, you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right. And now go underneath where it says how you use Instagram, select notifications, and then go down again and select where it says from Instagram. Where it says reminders near the top, you can select the on option to turn on reminder notifications or turn it off if that's what your preference is. And then you can also modify different notifications you might be receiving from Instagram as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.